because they have talking trees. The land was donated, I forget when, but we'll see it on the description of the place. We'll film it so you can look at it, and let's go see some talking trees.
Stepping out of the shadow in my room, caught between cowboy clouds and misty moon. Silver dress, sparkle eyes, crystal blue. I was lost to the menace of the mind, sucker punched by love most of my life. Told myself I would always toe the line. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well.
Talking trees yet?
You shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. I fell for you. I fell for you. Life can switch from light to dark. Loving you, that's the easy part. I can do this with all my heart. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you.
I'll let you touch the button.
It's huge.
Did you know that forestry is North Carolina's second leading industry? I'm white pine, a big reason why forestry is big business here. I'm a very fast-growing tree that is used for furniture to help protect your home. If you would like to obtain some of my seedlings to plant,
Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. I fell for you. I fell for you. Life can switch from light to dark. Loving you, that's the easy part.
I'll see.
I can do this with all
of the fastest growing trees in the forest. That's me, yellow poplar. And I don't just grow tall above the ground. My roots dig deep and far into the soil, searching for water and nutrients. In fact, beneath the
Call my number, call my name. If you wander back again, call my number, call my name. We both know I'm to blame. Call my number, call my name. If you wander back again, call my number, call my name. We both know I'm to blame.
Did you learn anything about trees?
Not really. I already knew that stuff. Did you
How
learn
many more
anything?
were there about?
There were.
There was
I
the
think,
2
9 or 10 of them altogether.
different trees.
Yeah, I can't remember. 9 or 10.
The school's open?
In class, the students sat on rough-hewn benches made from wood slabs with legs attached and without any backs. In one end of the room was a large desk with a lid. Inside it were slates that the children used during lessons, writing with soft rocks instead of pencil and paper. Push the button again to hear more.
And tell me, honey, will we go far?
Listen, baby, don't break my heart.
Yeah, this road is long ahead. Yeah, this road is long ahead. Let's take it slow. La, 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 la. We don't know now what we'll find.
Take a chance, love.
Leave me down behind. Yeah, this road is long ahead. Yeah, this